Thank you.
Hey guys, here we are for Elrond update. Very cool to be with you again. Just want to show you this because if you subscribe to the all, this is one thing that subscribers really love. I'm providing you inside your account. You log in and you go under my membership and content, and you will get you will have access to all my live charts. And right now I have my favorite for Elrond and favorite for Bitcoin right here. And let's start with the Elrond chart. What's going on with Elrond? Elrond doesn't have too much power right now, and in my scenario, which is the most probable and my favorite, I see Elrond going back down. Yeah, it is sad a little bit, but don't worry, it is just cool. We're gonna be able to accumulate and buy more. And congratulations, my subscribers. A lot of people were very happy because I was able to provide perfect target to get in here, and I told them that this was dangerous. I told them to exit here because of this reaction on the 0.618. This opened the door for that B wave right there, and many exited here, which is more than 30% profit. Congratulations everyone, really cool. I want to show you this right now. Elrond, not too much strength. Why? Because two bearish divergence in a row. Here, the first one, price came higher, it created a new higher high, but not the RSI. And also the second one right here, I'm gonna zoom in a little. The price sent a wick here, but the price created a new higher high again. But the RSI, was worst, which is not good. Bitcoin is losing some. Elrond is losing some power short term, and I think it is gonna be the time very soon to retrace a little inside this C wave. The thing is this is a zigzag ABC. I'm almost sure of this because we can count five wave down here inside this A wave. Doesn't look too much like an ABC. 1, 2, the RSI came very low here. It's possibly the wave 3 down, wave 4 and 5. And this looked pretty much like an ABC. And when you look inside those waves, we cannot have 5 impulsive in here. Impossible. Some rules were not respected for an impulse in 5 waves. Just gonna add this for the subscribers. Okay, perfect. Also, you need to know that C wave are an impulse down of 5 wave. If we are placing the 5 wave down here, just to figure out right here, 3, 4, 5, and we bring this here. Usually, not all the time, but C wave really love to be the same length of the A wave. It is why this would be my favorite target. But the bottom that we touch here on a bullish divergence at 53.41, if we go under this line, this yellow line right here, under this price, if we go under 53 and 41 cents, it will not be possible that this become a 1 and second wave retracement. You understand what I mean? We would have to start again, all the sequence to create a new wave 1 and 2. it is why it is possible that Elrond's going to create a double bottom, but that the price will never come under 53.41. It is also possible that Elrond can retrace to $42.32 and $25.71. Probably you will not. Maybe some people are not happy about this. I can understand, but you know, accumulate, buy. Those are. It's probably one of the last opportunity that you will have to accumulate and buy Elrond at those price. I mean, yes, it is possible that Elrond's gonna stop at $68.52. It is a possibility too. It is why you know, I will suggest you to you know, place some entries on every possible fibs here. Me personally, I will place some entries. I will buy some here if Elrond is going there. This is you know, my most probable scenario right now. On the long term, like I told you, Elrond, on this retracement, what Elrond's gonna do will affect you know, what's gonna happen next. If this if this was the ultimate bottom and this a wave 1, and we come here to create a second wave, we will have the wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 after this, which is just gonna show you. Change the color, maybe something that you see a little more. Okay, you understand here that we have that possibility that this was the first wave, because I can count 5 impulsive, an impulse 5 wave inside of this, and this will be the retracement of this wave 2. I want you to understand this. This is the overview. I think this will help you to figure out, you know, to have a better overview here. If the price is coming under this yellow line, we're gonna have to forget about this 1-2 for at least for now, and we gonna bring this C point lower. And this is, you know, this is what I see right now. It is possible, it's still possible that this is a 1 and 2nd wave. You know, you just have to believe that it is important to accumulate more and more. If Elrond's going down and down, you accumulate here. It is an opportunity, a lifetime opportunity, because Elrond price, when if we take a look at the stock flow model, Bitcoin will not stay, you know, at those price for a long time. We might gonna have 1 or 2 more retracement. Anyway, I'm gonna show you Bitcoin because I'm talking about it. Let's go on the main scenario of Bitcoin right here. There is a lot of stuff. Sorry, I'm just gonna make a copy because I want to keep that chart for my my subscribers, and I don't want to destroy everything. Okay. Is this the copy? Yeah, this is the copy. Perfect. Okay, if we go on lower time frame, this is the same stuff for Bitcoin. Bitcoin had created a bearish divergence here on the 4-hour chart. Let's take out the moving average. This, okay, and I talk about this in my last video. We had hidden bullish divergence, but this is a clear divergence short term. It is why I think that Bitcoin is going to retrace short term, and it's starting right now. Where I think Bitcoin will retrace, if we and you know, just before we go over this, I have a resistance live chart for Bitcoin here that I presented, And those moving average, this moving average on the daily now is a resistance. And I talk about this. This is the moving average 100. It is not, you know, a support. The price is under. I mean, this is important. I told you, you don't buy under a resistance. You wait that the price is going over and confirm this resistance as new support. Now, this is not the case. Bitcoin must deal with this moving average 100 on the daily. It is not, you know, a little resistance. And in addition to that, he must deal with the 2-day moving average 50. Two moving average here, and if you take a look at the candle, this is look pretty much like a shooting star. Look at all the resistance that Bitcoin is having right now. It's a heavy resistance on the daily. Now what we can see a Twizzler bottom that is forming, and for people that don't know how to read candles, this was the close right here at 24,457. This was the opening price. This was the close. We opened there, but now it seems that today Bitcoin wanna close, you know, with this lower, which will trigger a Twizzler top right here on the daily and change the trend short term. We've been rising since this Twizzler bottom here on the daily. But now, if Bitcoin is closing like this, this will be our confirmation that we already know that, you know, I think it's going to happen, that Bitcoin is going to retrace. Where Bitcoin is going to retrace, let's figure out where is the support. Those red lines and blue lines are support here. We can also have those on the daily. Moving average 7 is a support, and this cross right here at 36k that is happening right now is support, and this is a support. This is a support too. I'm gonna add some lines right here. Let's turn that in green. This way my subscribers can figure out that this is now support and not resistance. Sorry, I'm working for my subscribers right now, and anyway, I know you like you like that I share all those stuff with you. And if we are going on the Fibonacci retracement from there, and I told, you know, I created 2 videos yesterday about the overall scenario. You can watch them, but those are my favorite retracement fibs: the 0.382, the 0.5, and the 0.618. But if we take a look at the support, we're gonna start to have a very big support at 36k. If we take a look on the 2 days, support is stronger around 34.6 and 33.9. But you know, this is something that we must consider right here. Let's take a look at the support on the weekly far away. We still have this moving average, but this moving average is going down. 5-day. Anyway, let's stay here, and we have this moving average 7, 9, 36, 37. I think this moving average can be very easy to break. This is gonna be a little bit tougher at 36k, and this is coinciding with the 0.382, and also those are possible. You know, Bitcoin can smash with a wick those fibs and grab all the liquidity. And let's figure out if Bitcoin smash the 0.5 at 35k, and we will have to wait and figure out if this ABC right here is gonna be a zigzag, or is it gonna be a flat wave? Right, we'll need to figure out if the A wave is providing us an impulse down in 5 wave or an ABC. This is what we're gonna watch. But if we stop there and we go up in this B wave, every door is open, even 42,236. And if we go, this will be a possible scenario in case that this ABC will turn out to be a flat wave and that we retrace inside an ABC for this A wave. Those would be the 2 possible target if it turn out to be a flat ABC. But if it's a zigzag, those fibs will be our favorites. But we don't know right now, and we're gonna have to wait for that. Also, what I want to tell you that this is sure that it will be an ABC because we are inside a B wave, and there is no other possibility than an ABC inside a B wave. And it is why you know, I place this here, but it can be here. And it's possible that we're going to create a double bottom, but this is my favorite scenario because Bitcoin will go grab the liquidity right on the golden fib. I explained that yesterday inside a video. Just watch it. It's you will see what I mean by that, the golden fib. If you don't know what is it, golden Fibonacci, because Bitcoin is inside a cycle wave 4, and this is the ultimate Fibonacci, the ultimate fib at 27.2k, and there is a lot of liquidity that wait probably in that zone. But you know, it's not sure that Bitcoin will have a lot of pressure, and a lot of people are gonna start to buy more and more Bitcoin. You know, will retrace. It's gonna be hard to bring the price there, I think. But it is my own opinion. You know, probably you don't care about my opinion, but this is, anyway, I'm sharing what I think with you. Also, if we take a look at the stock to flow model, Bitcoin is under the average right now, and possibly you know, this been a very accurate average right here. And Bitcoin should be around 84,000K right now if we are following the stock flow model. And this is not the case. But we can see the support right here. Really cool to figure out all those support. And now we are just waiting this retracement. And we will be able to figure out what's next on this B wave. But the overall scenario is that, you know, we are inside this B wave. You need to keep that in your mind, in your head, and those are the most possible target. But I provide you many examples. Bitcoin favorite B wave are always the 0.618, and it's been you know, historically just a beautiful target, perfect target. And especially in the last bear market. And one thing that is very important is that if we are going lower and grab the liquidity here, I'm gonna have to adjust my fib, and the price target for that the B wave will change, and I will have to bring those target will going down a little bit. Okay, all right, hope you love guys. This was short, but I think we've been around, and I think this will help you for Elrond. Also, I think it's very important that you keep in mind that it's we are in an accumulation phase, and this wave 4 will end one day for Bitcoin. And you need to know that Elrond is inside a wave 2 retracement. Just gonna go over it a second, and you know, to figure out that we are inside a wave 2 using the Elliott wave theory, I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna place the wave. Here is the point 0. This is the top, and we need to find this second wave, and what's gonna happen for Elrond is gonna be huge next. And to show you, we are inside this second wave, and this can be the bottom. If we place the fib retracement, and I provide that many times to my subscribers and you, let's figure out a wave 2 retracement, most probable fibs. Here we already smashed the 0.786. Yes, it is possible that Elrond's gonna go here, 0.854 at $41.01. It is right here. This look like to be this 1.23 target at $42.32 inside our scenario. And if Elrond is going there, he's gonna smash all the liquidity to this fib to grab the liquidity, because you need to understand that investors, and you know, I'm one of them, for a long term, we are placing buying orders that we leave there on those most probable fibs. And you know, this 0.854 is a probable fib, and the 0.9 is a probable fib too, and the 0.95 is a probable fib. But more we go down, less it becomes probable, and usually the golden fib, even inside a wave 2, is the most probable. But cryptocurrency is a savage world, and you know, wave 2 can be really savage. And it is why, you know, you must place orders on those most probable fibs. Even the 0.5 is a probability for retracement inside a wave 2. But this fib and this fib on cycle wave retracement used to not be so good. They are, you will find them inside wave 2 in a, you know, a short scale, in a small wave, but in a cycle wave retracement, or inside a bearish market, you know, you will not, you know, they become less probable. But they can, you know, be they can turn out to be nice fibs, you know, on those retracement inside those small waves that you see here sometimes. Okay, I think you understand here. And we can see this resistance line here for Elrond. This is a falling channel, and that is opening doors for those fibs. And it follow our scenario perfectly. I mean, the probability that we are gonna go there are not so strong, but you know, if a stock market crash happen, I will not be surprised. Something can come soon, and we know that if we take a look at the stock market, let's erase that. I'm gonna load a new chart layout, and we take a look at the S&P 500 right here, and we grab the RSI. Let's check. Let's go on the weekly. We'll have a better, even in monthly. I'm not afraid to go on the monthly chart with this. The weekly. Okay, this is telling us to right now it is very dangerous, because we had this this bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence right here from February 2018 and February 2020, 2 years of bearish divergence. We crash here because of the COVID, and now it's even worse. The price is pumping inside a wave 5, but you know, the Bitcoin is not even following, nobody's following, and the RSI is not able to create a new higher high, which is dangerous. I mean, if we are taking a look at the MACD, here, we don't have a bearish divergence on the MACD. Let's take a look at the MOM. Yeah, we are having a bearish divergence on the MOM, on the momentum. I think you have to be careful here. If we take the divergence for many indicators tool, let's take a look, and let's bring the name, show indicators name, and on the daily. Yeah, unbelievable. You know that, you know, stock market can go all over all those bearish divergence right here. It is a sign of a wave 5, and look at the 4-day right here. This is pretty dangerous. You know, we'll be vigilant on the weekly MACD historical momentum. On the monthly, we still continue to you know, it can you know, it can rise over a bearish divergence inside a wave 5 for a long time, but when it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop, because after a wave 5, you know what's gonna happen. We're gonna try to find our point zero, and the stock market did that, and we are probably inside this wave 5 right now. And the thing is that after a wave 5, you know, what is it? For me, this will probably bring a depression or something like that. I'm not joking. I'm just, you know, telling you what I think. But this can be the end of a super cycle. You need to consider that. Look pretty much like a wave 5 that we are in here, the cycle wave 5. Look at this bearish divergence on the monthly chart. This is not looking good at all. I will be very cautious here because what's next is a point zero in the cycle, a new cycle. Here we'll start, sorry. We will find this point 5 and we will retrace, and we will have to figure out for sure this will continue. Don't even check this, but what I see here is that it is possible that we're gonna crash. This will be kind of a depression, a second wave of a super cycle, second wave. Probably a lot of people have not been inside this, but this will be very hard, and it can be very long. but they can make it fast too, you know, but we will figure out where is this 0.5 here, and with where this wave 5 will end, and we will place our fibs to figure out the most probable fibs for a wave 2 and figure out you know, possible place where we can enter in the market, which would coincide with good support. Hope you like, guys. Cheers. I love you. Thanks for supporting that channel and leaving a little comment. I always write back. Really happy that you are listening to my videos, and join the all. You will not regret it for $75 per month. I mean, you will have access to many charts and update every day. If you take a look here, 2 video updates today, one for Elrond and one for Bitcoin this morning. It's been really appreciated by all the subscribers. You will get also, this was a very nice video on the stock flow model that I posted this morning. And you know, I'm working with, you know, to, because I have to be honest, a lot of people got wrecked and bought the top of Elrond and Bitcoin and many other coins probably, and you know, I have to deal with some subscribers that need to change their mindset and get better in trading, because you know, it's easy to exit on my most probable target, and after whoop, it continue a little bit on the upside, and you know, my subscribers is chasing. I'm trying to tell them, no, you don't chase, stay disciplined. And I know they want to get back the money they lost because of what happened, you know, when Bitcoin dumped. But they need to be patient, and we are working on this, and I'm working closely with the VIPs for you know, to develop, to bring them a very nice strategy on the table. They are all appreciating this. Also, you know, you will have to vote for my next video subject. Really cool stuff. Hope everyone like the video. Cheers, guys. You know, it's enough. Bye bye.